In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an incline dumbbell alternating chest fly. So firstly, you'll notice here I've got the bench at a 15-degree incline. And all an incline means is for you to have your chest in a position where it's above the position of your hips. So when you have a flat bench, you've got your hips and chest in line. With an incline bench, you'll notice my chest position is above the position of my hips. So the first thing you're going to do is pick up the weights that you're using with a nice straight back. You can do a 15% incline like me, or you can go much higher. They're just different variations of incline, so just try them all out, see which settings your bench has, and then pick the one that you feel on the chest accordingly. From here, my feet are hip width apart. I'm going to bring my elbows in, and I come directly back until my head and the whole of my back is on the bench. From here, I'm going to press directly up with the weights until my arms are extended. And I want to make sure that the dumbbells are in line with my chest and not in line with my shoulders. Once I've got this position, I've got what's called a soft elbow, meaning my arms are not completely locked out at the elbow. There's a very, very minor bend. And from here, because I'm alternating, I'm going to do one side at a time, bringing the weight away from my body, coming back in, and then bringing the next weight away from my body and coming back in. At all times, trying to stay with the dumbbells in a position where I'm always above the chest, really lowering under control as I come down. I should feel a stretch in the chest when I come down and a squeeze as I come back up. Now, in terms of the position whereby you come down, if you look at my left side here as I come down, I'm stopping in a position where my elbow's just below the position of my shoulder. If I come too far, I'm going to be putting a lot of strain on my shoulder. And remember, this is a chest exercise. Once you're done, elbows in, you're going to come all the way back up to your start position, and then you can pop the weights down. Of course, you'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.